we have something special for all of you who want to reach your financial goals without feeling like you're torturing yourself. We know saving money can be tough, but fear not. We've got some incredible tips that will make the journey enjoyable and rewarding. Number 1. Setting realistic goals. Instead of trying to save a large amount right away, start small. Set achievable milestones and celebrate each victory. This way, you won't feel overwhelmed and saving will become a positive experience. Number 2. Automate your savings. Use online banking tools to set up automatic transfers to your savings account on payday. By doing this, you won't even notice the money leaving your account, and your savings will grow effortlessly. Number 3. Gamify your savings. Get yourself a cute piggy bank or a clear jar. Watching your savings grow visually can be incredibly satisfying and motivate you to save more. Number 4. Discover budget-friendly activities. Saving money doesn't mean staying at home all the time. Research and explore free or low-cost activities in your area. Parks, community events, and even dye projects can be both fun and cost-effective. Number 5. Smart shopping. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it's a want or a need. Look for discounts, compare prices, and always sleep on bigger purchases. This way, you'll avoid impulsive buys and keep more money in your pocket. Last but not least, tip number 6. Reward yourself. Saving doesn't mean depriving yourself entirely. Set aside a small portion of your savings for occasional treats or splurges. Treating yourself responsibly will keep you motivated to continue your savings journey. And there you have it, our fantastic tips to help you save without feeling like you're torturing yourself. Remember, saving is all about building good habits and making smarter choices. With a positive mindset and these strategies, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial dreams.